everyone, welcome to Khali Yoga Center. My name is Michelle. I'm here with Marcus. Today we're showing you Eagle Pose, Garuda Asana. Let's go, Eagle.
Let's do it.
Yep. All right. For Eagle Pose, bend your knees about 45 degrees like you're going into chair pose. And set your drishti straight ahead. Wrap your right leg up high and tight over your left and intertwine your right arm under your left. Yeah. So Eagle Pose is creating a lot of power and strength in the standing leg, sculpting the calf and the thigh, and stretching the shoulders. So Eagle Pose, we have the elbows in line with the shoulders. Starting from the floor, the bottom foot's on 12 o'clock. The bottom thigh and upper thigh come together, come to center. Draw the right hip back, squeeze in. Draw the shoulder blades slightly together and into the body to press the heart open. Bring the heart towards the elbows and the elbows away from the heart. And you see Marcus's vision is steady on one spot. The physical eyes create the physical balance in this pose of equanimity, where we're tapping in to the calm, deep center from the power of our true north, the power of center line. Some common modifications here for Eagle is you can place your wrapped foot on a block. So like a kickstand, you can use a block. I like using a block for the kickstand. You can also, if your feet, let me take the block from you. You can put your toes on the floor, kickstand like that. Another great modification is the arms. So you can hug yourself, wrap your hands to your shoulder blades, and lift the elbows to your degree of flexibility. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Some common misalignments I see in Eagle Pose is, can you wrap your foot all the way around? So this is totally fine, the wrap, but what starts to happen when people overwrap is the knees come off center, and it's putting some torque, some tweak in this bottom knee. So pull into center, pull this hip back, hug the belly in. Another misalignment I see is just like over gripping this thumb and pulling it down, like just like some real tension in the hands. This pose embodies firmness and ease. So unclench your hands, press your palms together. Mm-hmm. And another misalignment I see is vision all over the place. So find your eagle again. You've got it. His eyes all over the place, so just like looking around, and see when he starts to look around, he loses his balance. And then the last one is then the elbows just into the chest. So with your drishti set, your eyes on one spot, lift your elbows to your shoulder height. Equanimity. The vision brings us from distraction to focus. Good work, Marcus.
Thank you.
So that's Eagle Pose, Garuda Asana. Thanks for being here with us today. Try your hand at Eagle Pose. It's a challenging pose. And once you set your vision on one spot, everything comes into center. You just like dial in, land in, and live in your truth.